this message is for Timmy at Astral Auto Repairs. I believe that's his name. I watch the videos on YouTube, man, and I just wanted to call here from Middle Tennessee, man, and shout you out, man, because without you, I probably wouldn't have been able to completely rebuild my engine in my gen Nissan Maxima. That's the 3.0, man. I watched your entire video when you rebuilt that 3.5 Maxima, man, and it helped out tremendously, man. I'm not necessarily a shade tree, but I'm not professional either, and I got it all taken care of thanks to you. So I just wanted to give you a big shout out, man, and thank you. Keep up the good work, man.